So today I'll be installing some new headlights on this Lexus. It's a second gen, so we'll be installing some VLAND front headlights and some VLAND rear taillights. Alright, so I unboxed the VLAND taillights. This is for the driver's side, this is for the passenger side. These wires come over here. I got it pretty much separated. Now you just gotta pop out this tab right here. And then you got they should be 10mm bolts. No, I mean 3 of them. And then same thing for this side. Them 3, 2 at the bottom, 1 on top. Alright, so there is a small yellow tab back there. Right there. You might have to squeeze it with some pliers, and then the tail light should come out. Alright, so I got the OEM one off. So you should get a wire like this, pretty long. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this one connector. There should be like a harness down here. Right down there, the white one. So this connector right here should connect to that one white connector down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this right here. Alright. Alright, so I'm doing the passenger side now. Same thing, you should have some 3M tape. And then same thing for this one. And then I'm just gonna connect the main harness right here to the somewhere right here. So passenger side tail light is also in. Only thing left to do is run these wires. This one up through here. And install these. Same thing for this side. So this is the new one. You should just have 3 nuts, which is going to be these 2 and that one right there. Alright, so I got everything ran through now. This little wire, I had to take this little tab off right here. All you gotta do is click in, and then you see here where I ran it through the back right here, and all I gotta do is connect this little piece to this little one, and then the connector will be connected right here. And then the bottom part, I'm gonna run it through the back right here, and then connect it right there, which I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. I'm gonna take that little clip off, and all you're gonna do is push in, and it's gonna come off. And then I'm just gonna pull this and then run it. Alright, so I got the rear taillights installed. Alright, so now I'm gonna install these front VLAN headlights. All I'm gonna do right now is take off this trim piece off, and then I'm gonna take the bumper off. Okay, so I got the trim piece off, And then you should be able to take off these for the grill right here. And then there should be one 10mm bolt up here. And then you'll be able to turn these with a flathead, and then the bumper will come off. And then I'm pretty sure you should have some tabs down there you gotta get rid of, take off, or some bolts. Alright, so I kind of just laid the bumper down a little bit. I'm gonna leave it there. I just gotta take a couple nuts. Here's one of them. Here should be another one. There should be another one right here. I think so far there's only 3. Alright, so I got the headlights installed. The only thing I have to do now is connect this. You gotta take this. There's a 10 fuse right here, right above this one, on right here. And you're gonna take that one out, and you're gonna connect this. Like that. But what I'm gonna do is maybe cut a little bit of the edge of the fuse box, just so the cap can still sit flush. Pretty much like this. Alright, so I got the headlights on right now. So it seems like everything's good. Now just put the bumper back on and trim pieces. Alright, so right here I got a rotary tool. This is what I'm going to be using to shave down some of the plastic around the fuse box. There we go. Alright, so this is how it turned out with the front headlights installed. And this is the rear.